Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your VIVO X300 FE. So what are we going to do first is we're going to go over and remove screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever we have our screen protector and it's not applied perfectly on the screen, but let's say it's going off to the edges or the side of the phone, no matter which direction, it can cause our screen to have some ghost touches. And the ghost touches whenever you don't press on your screen but something is still pressing on it. It can be from a random place on the screen, it's not always a static one, so it can be like this. It can literally open your calendar, then it can click on a random day and start creating random events. So that's why we want to make sure that we actually remove it if that's the case. Now for the case protector, what are we going to do is if it goes over the bezel, which is the dark part that you can see between the screen and the side of the phone, if it's going over it and you cannot see them, then you want to remove it, because it's very important to just not let anything touch your screen other than your fingers. And now what are we going to do is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. So now what are we going to do is we're going to grab the microfiber cloth, we're going to give it a few swipes, and after cleaning it, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button, and now swipe to restart it. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go and update our software. So let's open up the settings, and here in the settings scroll down to system update. Here we got it almost at the bottom. We're going to tap on it and it automatically checks for software updates. I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to get rid of any old glitches running around on our device. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.